searching for her happiness जो कहीं गुम हो गई है. लापता माइक. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today we are just getting down at Ahor, our village in Rajasthan, and we are here for a wedding. So I'll take you all through my whole Rajasthan vlog. And yeah, that's it. So we Jains usually get a lot of food while we are traveling. And we got kepla, we had salad, we had fruits, we had so many things which I didn't take pictures of, but we are done with our lunch and now we'll get down at Jalor and then from there we'll go to Ahor. We are going to a place by auto. I don't know if I'm audible or not. But I'm the one sitting here in the छोटे बच्चों की seat and these people are sitting down. Thank you. Pradeep is cleaning the room. So as you all can see, we just organized our cupboard, and Didi has lost her hairbrush, which apparently I found. She did it. Okay, great. And now we need to get ready, and we're not sure what to wear because हम function के बीच में से जा रहे हैं अंदर, and people might be dressed obviously because there's this event called Gamistan, and हम सिर्फ dinner करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. So yeah.
कोचिंग वालों में हम ऑप्शन करने वाले हैं और बड़े इनाम आप सभी के लिए. ओके तो चलिए ऑप्शन हम चालू करने वाले हैं और यहाँ पर गिलिस्तान स्टेज के सामने आ जाए.
It's 12:30 and we came home now, and it's so scary to go out at this time here. But still we got dad, he had slept but he came to pick us up. So it was amazing, we enjoyed. And I stole my niece's outfit, right? What do we say? I stole my bhatiji ka outfit. I think I look so good. And it looks perfect for a DJ night party. And my makeup, it's okayish. I also curled my hair, but then I was like, no, I just styled it up, and then I was already in the mood for dance. So it was all fun. And let me show you all the mess that I need to clear. There's like a lot of mess, and we will clear. See you all tomorrow. And I will also take you all through Ahol ki galiya. Maybe if I get to, but sure, I will.
I just gave myself a nice chumpy because my hair was legit. Because of all the sand, it was not acting good. I mean, I somehow managed to go to the DJ night party, but I bought a new curling machine, by the way, so I tried to curl the front ends, but I knew it was not looking fine, so then I just tied it up in my signature hairstyle, and then वहाँ जाकर तो pony कर दी थी because of all the sweat. But it's 1:35 and I'm all ready to sleep. My skincare is done, my nice chumpy is done. I am planning to wear these nails from some brand that had sent me, Sassy Nails. She's made these so beautifully, so I was planning to wear these, but not very sure. But yeah, good night. I need to sleep. Good morning. We are ready to go for breakfast, and then we'll come back and then we'll go for haldi. So we are back from our breakfast, and this is our terrace. This is how it looks like. But now I'll wash my hair, I'll get ready. I think I'll go for puja. I'll be back, and then we'll get ready for haldi. Look at her. So this is where we used to get ready before. कोई भी फंक्शन होते थे, कोई भी शादी होती थी तो हम यहाँ पर तैयार होते थे. ये हमारी गर्ल्स रूम होती थी, which is locked right now. And there's also a bridal room. So ऐसे bridal या groom जो भी होता था उसकी room वहाँ होती थी ऐसे अलग से for that person to get ready. That is also locked right now. No, it's open. It's open. But look at this. You go inside.
It's closed from inside.
Achha, it's closed from inside because it's locked from that door. But this is our kind of gallery. I'm looking forward to shoot something here. But let's see. And that is our main entrance. And oh my god, look at that. And this is the whole view of our terrace. And I really want to shoot something here or anywhere, but I think I don't have that much time to just take some time and get ready. But let's see if I can do that. But I can surely shoot here because there's a lot of light coming in here and I didn't get a tripod, so yeah. So we are going to Mandir Puja karne. I didn't take my mic because exactly. But
तो ये justification भी देने की जरूरत है.
anyway, it's very nice and peaceful. It's called Vidya Vihar Mandir. Very, very peaceful. मतलब इतने लोग भी नहीं होते वहाँ पर और आराम से एकदम छोटा सा मंदिर है. छोटा सा तो नहीं है. I'll take you all to that mandir. Okay. So the mandir is right there. I guess, yeah. क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमारी मशीन नहीं चल रही है. पानी इतना ही आ रहा है. So Didi is doing some handwork and I don't know what. मुझे कपड़े धोकर सुखाने हैं. Oh my god, this is such a task. I miss my home but I'm loving it here. Ready for haldi and it took us a lot to get ready. और हम दोनों we were all ready.
It only took you a lot. ये सारे तो करोगे कल से मेहनत थी.
Yeah, but I still got ready by the time she did her makeup and everything. I was all ready. हाँ तो मैं अपन के दूँ. Anyway, we were both on the verge of fighting and we are still. But anyway, we both are ready and I think we look good. So yeah. We are all ready for Bandoli night, where the Dulha and the Dulhan sits on a horse. अलग-अलग horse obviously. And फिर हम मंदिर जाते हैं आगे. हम नहीं बोलो. और मतलब हम पूरा we just roam the whole city, not city, गाँव हमारा. But yeah, we go there and then we बस नाचते जाते हैं. And I think women are not allowed to dance here. I'm not very sure, but let's see if I get to dance. I will because I just love dancing. So. And I think I'm dance ready. So yeah, I just did a very nice hairstyle on her. I mean, look at it. And this has to be my love. And this woman, can you look here, woman? इतनी अच्छी hairstyle करती हूँ मैं लोगों पर, मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ. खुद पर इतनी अच्छी नहीं करती, but still. Your blush is a bit too much. You'll have to reduce it, but you look good. Are back from Bandoli. But actually मैंने दो चीज़ें घुमा दी है. One of my favorite glaze, which was yellow in color, और वो मेरे सारे हल्दी function में was like that go to. Second is I lost my इसका पैर while I was dancing in बांदोली अभी रात को and it was so और वो मैं इतनी सारी बांदोली चढ़ी थी मतलब there were so many couples जिनके घोड़े पर इतने सारे चढ़े थे and उनके इतने सारे लोग तो everything was packed and somehow I didn't find it and I'm very sad बिछड़ा हुआ पैर might be missing this one. I'm packing everything because हम आधा सामान फिर से भिजवा रहे हैं. So one good thing we did was जब हम आ रहे थे हमने सारा सामान बस में भिजवा दिया था और हम सिर्फ एक लगेज एंड एक हैंड बैग के साथ आए थे. And again we are planning to do the same thing but maybe एक दो लगेज एक्स्ट्रा हो सकते हैं because we have to attend one function tomorrow और बस कल सुबह जानी है. There's a lot. But I have so much mess. There's so much I need to clear. I think I should pack my pouches so that यहाँ पर mess. I mean ये मेरे घर पे भी इतना mess नहीं होता but that is how life is. And clearing all my earrings and stuff and all of my random things. You just don't need to look at that. So I think we'll start with earrings. Complete accessories. I need to take what am I wearing tomorrow. I think I should wear perfect for wedding. Might go with my red outfit. Maybe not. We'll keep this aside. That's it. I'll time lapse all of this and let you all know कि मैं clear कर पाती हूँ कि नहीं. Wash my face. I'm looking for a napkin, which I don't have. But now I'll do my skincare and then we'll go to sleep. Morning. We are going to Mandir. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Actually, we are going to Durga Mandir, which is very beautiful and it's very huge. It's called Godiji Pashanath Mandir. A lot of y'all might have heard. जो भी यहाँ आ गए हैं. And I'm waiting for Riddhi. And last night I had dark fantasy और उसके बाद मैंने पानी नहीं पिया. And now my throat is all gone. It's paining so much and it's so cold today. I mean yesterday it wasn't that cold but today I'm feeling cold. Yeah, I'll take you all through that mandir. That's it. I'm so sleepy. I so wanted to sleep. I have a work to finish that I'll do as soon as I come back. There we go. बैक मेरी स्टोरेज फुल हो चुकी थी सो couldn't shoot entrance पर ही स्टोरेज फुल हो गई बट oh my god पूजा वगैरह everything went amazing and now we'll change and go for breakfast.
So our storage is full. Yeah. No, but I deleted a lot of videos. So, but we are on Activa and we are enjoying it clearly. And mom dad are on आगे वाली bike.
Hey y'all, we've left for the Bharat and we are already late as usual because of Riddhi and I'm so pissed at her because मैं पूरी ready हो गई and even I didn't get completely ready like I didn't do a good hairstyle but this woman हम already late है, we both are the only ones left behind and still she's looking at her in the mirror and you know giving random poses and I'm quite pissed at her but fine she's here as you can see behind and now we'll go on our Activa और ये सारा मेकअप खराब करने वाले but anyway I think I look good and I'm wearing my mom's 28-year-old wedding lehenga and I'm so happy about it. Let me know in the comments how do I look. So we had gone for the wedding. हम change करके गए थे because इतना heavy time. We were already in that outfit for 4 hours और मेरे को बाहर उठाया ही नहीं गया. So we changed into normal
Basic
kurtis and look at the cow. But anyway, we changed into basic kurtis and then we had gone for dinner. And South Indian काफ़ी अच्छा है यहाँ का. We had dinner and then now we are heading home. और एक्टिवा में पेट्रोल नहीं था तो हमने वहीं छोड़ दी, पापा लेकर आएंगे. And now we are going inside.
vlog भी करेंगे
This phone wears at me a lot. But okay, bye.
हंसने का क्या इसमें क्या हो गया गो ए भाई इसमें घुस गई है क्या वो.
Hey all, I'm back from the dhaba and I'm so tired and my throat and nose is all gone because I had chas there. But now we've changed and I've packed everything up as of now. I just change and I have some work to finish. I do that and then I just have a very nice sleep. But it's so cold and chilly today. I'm feeling good. But yeah. We had coffee and now we are here at Giant Station. So our train is moving late, almost come to, yeah, our train is running late by almost 2 hours and we are so irritated. We just want to sleep. I was very sleepy but I had a very amazing coffee and my nose is on fire. I chose the sunrise जो हो चुका है but still you can see. Jiju has sent a Jane pizza from Domino's because यहाँ का Domino's is pure veg. And look at her. I should message and he has also sent a butterscotch mousse cake. And we've crossed to Arodhra by the way. So yeah.